just going to show you how I brush and get her hair together for the day. So if you're interested to see what she's going to look like when she's finished, probably covered in Cheetos, stay tuned. Welcome back to Learning with Mrs. A-Love. I have my co-star with me today, Amari. Amari, say hi. Say hi. So today we're going to do her hair, and I'm going to show you how I get her hair done. Most of the time, I let Amari eat snacks while brushing her hair, and I just hope and pray that she doesn't get it in her hair after she eats her Cheetos, because she likes to touch her hair also. So I'm just getting her hair spray down. So for Amari's hair routine now, we use coconut oil in it. So I'm just giving her a good spray. Yeah. And today we're gonna do 2 ponytails. So right now I'm just brushing and combing it out. Brush it out first, and then I go on the comb. Makes it easier to comb them out. She is currently eating Cheeto Puffs, which are getting everywhere. She just woke up from her nap. Aubrey also just woke up from her nap, but she's in her swing right now. So hopefully she'll let me do Amari's hair, because I just fed her. So hopefully she'll give me about 5 minutes to do Amari's hair. So Amari's current hair routine, I use coconut oil. So it's just any organic coconut oil is what I use on her hair. She already has a part from earlier, so I'm just gonna use one hair tie, put it on one side, and then I'm gonna work on the other side. So I use this brush. It's usually perfect for her hair. I cannot do Amari's hair unless she's sitting down in a chair, because she likes to look at everything. Right, Amari? Say yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. So we're just gonna put her hair in 2 little cute ponytails. Nothing crazy. We're gonna take some photos today because, okay. Yep. And what else? Yeah. We're gonna take some photos today because my aunt sent her a bunch of clothes. So we're gonna take photos in all of the clothes that she got. So I just wanna do her hair before we get started on that. And then I'll show you a little behind the scenes of how we're gonna do this this TikTok video where you just keep putting on different outfits. Yeah. You want to hold the comb? Oh, you got Cheeto hands. Yuck. Cheeto hands. So it's super easy to do Amari's hair when she is still. Which right now she is. I have some wipes that I'm going to use to wipe off her face and everything when we're done, because we're going to get to photos. So me and Amari use the same hair ties. I used to use the small ones on her. I don't anymore. So let's see. She wants you want the Cheetos off your hands? Can you smile for the camera? Can you smile? No, you want the Cheetos off your hand. So I'm gonna get her together, and then I will show you what she looks like when she's not covered in Cheetos. Yeah. All right, so Amari's hair is done. Amari, say bye-bye.